YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Joneses. I'm back and I got another video for y'all as always. And y'all know I'm coming with the heat, man. I ordered some stuff this week and it finally came in the mail. I did some next day stuff because I wanted to get this pair of shoes in this video. But just stay tuned, that's all I'm gonna say, because I got a nice, really good video coming up, probably Friday or Saturday. And I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. But if you haven't already, stop what you're doing. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the sub button for me. I got a lot of content coming. And also, if you haven't already done it, hit that like button and leave a comment in the comment section, you know, talk to your boy. But anyways, man, let's get right into it. I hope you guys have been having a great couple weeks. I know a lot of you guys are getting out of school because of the coronavirus. So yeah, just be sanitary, wash your hands, try not to spread it to others because it'll affect the older people. But anyways, let's get right into it. Like I said, so up first today we got two pair of shoes. First pair we're gonna open up, it's gonna be this pair of fours right here. So I wanted a pair of fours for a while. I just wasn't sure which pair to get, and I had a couple on my mind. I had the Cactus Jack 4s, which they were at the top, but I was just like, I'm not trying to spend that type of money right now. And I wanted a pair of 4s that I could just rock whenever I felt like wearing them. So I went and got these, but you guys see typical 4s box. And open it up already. Y'all know what time it is, man. Zoo-wee mama. Y'all know what that's from? Hit that like button. But we got the OVO Drake Signature Raptor 4s. Let me push the box out the way some more. So these shoes right here, this colorway is just sick to me. The red, the black, and the purple, it just goes together so well. And then we got the black suede. We got the red eyelets, black laces, the tongue tag right here, black, red, and purple. You see the OVO signature or Drake signature. I don't know which signature it is. I think it's OVO, but we got that in red, and then we got the Jordan logo in purple. And this shoe is it's nasty. I like the shoe tag that it comes with, or whatever the hang tag. I like this, the black with the flight right here, and then the clear. I think that's dope. It's different from the normal, the red oranges Jordan tag, but these are this pair of 4s are honestly some of the hardest 4s I've ever seen. And I was thinking about putting double color laces in them. I just wasn't too sure. But let's just get into some more details on the shoe. So the shoe is mainly suede, and then it's got the rubber midsole and then the rubber eyelet tab right here. And then we got the sock liner that's black, and then the tongue liner right here is red. And I just think they're honestly one of the toughest shoes I have. And I've had them for I think a week now. I got them, yeah, I've had them for a week. I got them when my last pair of shoes came in the mail. And I was just waiting to unbox them with you guys so you can see them. And just look at them because they look good. I'm probably gonna wear these a lot because I know 4s are some of the most comfy Jordans. So I'm probably gonna be wearing these a lot. And let's get the other shoe out so you guys can see that. But there's nothing different on the other shoe. I tried them on already and they are very comfortable. Oh, and another thing to point out, right here on the tongue, it's got the upside down Air Jordan tag. And then we got the purple Jordan logo on the back. But I tried them on and it kind of blew my mind. I'm kind of upset about it. I'm going to show you guys. But I tried them on and I was walking. I have a big mirror, a big full body mirror in a different room in my house. And when I was walking in them, I kicked the side of the wall to the door. I kicked the side of the wall. And this is what happened to them. Look at that. Paint chip already. I was really upset about this one. So I don't know how it got red chip, but it's whatever. I'm not really that mad about it because I know I'm going to wear these a lot. I really like them. It's a great colorway. I have a lot of clothes that match these, and I can't wait to honestly not keep wearing them, but to wear them a lot more than a lot of the shoes that I have. because I have some really nice shoes that I just don't want to wear too much because I'll wear them out. But that's it for this pair of shoes, man. I hope you guys like them. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have a suggestion for another colorway of 4s that I should get, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know, because I do want to get more 4s. But let's get this stuff out the way so we can open up this next box. So as y'all see, we're still trying to be more healthy. Smoothie, big old thing of water, and move that out the way. Pull this back here, and on to this next pair of shoes. Now this next pair of shoes, I know what they are, and I'm excited to see this shoe, because I was picking out this shoe and like I had seen a lot of YouTube videos of people in their sneaker collections, and they all had this shoe and they were like, yo, this is the best shoe of this style and all this stuff. And I'm like, dang, that shoe is pretty hard. So I was looking at it online and I was just like, you know what? I was in the mall trying to find another pair of Vans and they didn't have anything that I really enjoyed. Excuse me. And it wasn't nothing that I was like eye-popping. They had one pair, they were like blue and white, and then they had like red hearts all over them for I forget what it's for, but it was for some charity. I think it was like autism. And I was thinking about getting those Vans, and I was like, nah, it's just not right now. I don't want them right now. So then I'm looking at shoes, and then I see a bunch of shoes, and I'm like, yo, I'm about to get these shoes that I've been looking at, and I've been telling myself I'm gonna get them for a while now. So I'm happy because it's finally time, and I finally have them. So let's go ahead and get it open. Y'all see I got my knife. Shout out my boy Thomas. And we're gonna try not to cut this box, because if you remember in my last video, I freaking cut my brother's box, and he was not happy about that, and I don't want to cut my box. So goodness gracious, this tape is up here. I should not be pulling the knife near me like this either. Don't try this at home. Do not use a knife like this at home. I promise you will hurt yourself. There we go. Let's try and get, hopefully this other side's a lot easier. There we go. I need to sharpen this, man. I've had this knife for a while. I still love it. It just needs to be sharpened. Not to touch the shoebox. Ooh, please. All right, I didn't hit the shoebox. So let's put this up before I hurt myself. Get this out. Ooh, even this box. Okay. I'm digging this box, and as y'all know, I told y'all, GOAT always throws this crappy paper in here. Get it out of here. Funny story, the last piece of paper that I threw out is still down there. So it'll probably stay right there. Nah, I'll probably clean it up. But, damn. It's so hard to get these shoes out. Here we go. There we go. That box off the table. And we got these babies. This shoe right here is the Kyrie 5 SpongeBob Pineapple House Edition. And I can't wait. I honestly can't wait to see it. I know this shoe's gonna be nice. It's a size 10, my size perfectly. And y'all know how I felt about LeBron's. I've liked Kyrie's shoes since he got his little sneaker deal. I've liked all his shoes that have come out. And I'm ready to see this one. So let's go ahead and get this box open. Open it up. And okay, GOAT went on a different route this time. We don't got the punch card. We got this card this time. Alright, I dig it. Still got the same sticker. In the moment of truth, yo. Alright, I'm ready. Ooh! Oh my gosh, yo. This is I don't even gotta look at the rest of the shoe. This is the hardest shoe that I have. I don't care. I don't care about the off-whites. I don't care about the Travis Scott 6s. I don't care about my unions. Actually, it might be close up there with my unions, but these are up there. But this is the hardest shoe that I have, hands down. Y'all just, Kyrie, you did your thing with these, dog. You did. Y'all check this out. Oh my gosh, yo. This is the nastiest colorway out of this whole collection. By far, the nastiest colorway. Look at it. Take a good look at it. Man, drop a like if you haven't already. Drop a like. These are fire. Let's, I don't even know where to start. Let's just get into some of the details of the shoes. So, You see on the bottom, we got a white, it's like white grayish sole, and it's got like blue and yellow speckles. And then on the back, it's like a fabric, and this is silver. And it's got like this, I don't know what this is. But then we got the ocean blue logo with the blue outline, and then the blue sock liner, and the Carolina blue is in there. Then we got the green, like the leaf of the pineapple. And then we got fabric pineapple house just all around the shoe. And this shoe is just, this shoe is nasty, bro. I cannot, oh my goodness. And then on the freaking tongue, you see you got the boy Gary right there. And then if you go inside and look at the sole, you got the GOAT SpongeBob. Man, this shoe is so hard. I knew, looking at pictures and seeing them on people's YouTube channels and stuff like that, they looked hard. So I knew these shoes were going to be extremely tough. And now I got them and they're in my hand and I'm just like, yo. And I was thinking, I got these because I wanted a new pair of hooping shoes. And I was like, I'm gonna get these and turn these into hooping shoes, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. These might get put in a glass box. These are tough, man. I'm really amazed with this shoe. One of the reasons I decided to get this shoe is because of the blue sock liner. So this is a wild reason, but just listen to this. I ordered a bunch of shirts and I ordered this like royal blue shirt and I don't have anything to go with it. So I was looking for shoes that had like a royal blue or like normal blue. And I was looking for shoes so I could wear the shirt. And I could not find anything. And that's why I was looking at those Vans with the red hearts on them. And then I was like thinking in my head, I was literally standing in the middle of the mall. I was thinking in my head like, yo, those Kyries got blue in them. So I went look at a picture. I kid you not, I clicked order real quick. Like I looked at them, saw the blue and I clicked order and I wanted them already. I was buying all these other shoes and I was like, I'll get those later. I'll get them later. And now I finally got them. And this is the hardest shoe and this is the hardest shoe that I have by far. Like easy. There's no competition. I don't care what anyone says. Leave a comment. If you've seen the shoes that I have, if you find a harder shoe, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section of what shoe you think is harder than this one, because I don't think I have a shoe that's harder than this one. It's probably close competition with my Unions, but this shoe is hard as hell. Let's get the other one out the box, man. These are just crazy. Dog, y'all don't understand. I literally can't wait to wear these. Y'all just don't know. I cannot wait. I might throw these on today. I really might. Oh wait, y'all see the Dragon Ball Z? What y'all think? Y'all think you go with the Dragon Ball Z shirt? I might have to throw these on today, honestly, because these are nuts and they're so, I can't, man. That's all I got for this video, man. I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys are having a great day today, and just be safe out there. Sanitize your hands, wash your body, wash your hands, and try to stay away from a lot of contact. I know they've been preaching a bunch of social distancing, and I need to freaking wash and sanitize my hands. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys. We got the Kyrie 5 SpongeBob houses, and we got the Raptor 4s. That's it for today, man. I told y'all, as always, I stay dripped out, and this your boy Joneses. Peace.
Yeah.
Peace, I love you.
Yeah. Two times. Yeah. Two times. I'ma go hard over mine. If buddy sliding, I'm sliding, we sliding. Yeah, I'm tryna shine like the diamond. Like the diamond, I'm tryna make a deposit. I'ma dive deep in that bitch like a mosh pit. New niggas style, old niggas lost it. I'm dropping dick in that bitch and I'm off it. These niggas lame, they just be talking. Broke nigga mad, I got money in my pocket. Broke nigga mad, he made no profit. Broke nigga mad, he can't buy it, it costs. I'ma run down on that bitch like a fox. Ooh, yeah, just like a fox. I'm standing on 10, I'm solid as rock. Ooh, yeah, just like a rock, yeah. Two times, yeah. Two times, yeah. Two times, 2 times. I'ma go hard over mines, yeah, yeah. But he keep wasting my time. Tell him to fall back in line, yeah, yeah. We do not see eye to eye. I count up bread, multiply, yeah, yeah.